In this video, I'm going to show you indexing in C#. We have already seen the string in C#, so we will continue these topics in further videos also. But now we are going to see the indexing in C#. So let's take in one variable as a string. So string my value or whatever name is equals to Nepal is a beautiful country. So if I make one string like this and I can just write CW and my value dot my value and double and a big bracket, just big bracket. And if I want to know the zero index of this my value, then I can just write the 0 here. And if I run this code by pressing the Ctrl F5, then it will show the yarn. It means it shows the 0 position of this string, 0 index of this string. So to find out the index of the value, we can just use the my value. This is our variable name, and just give the index name. And if I give the index name as 4, then and if I run this code, now you can see L is the index located in the 4th index. L is the alphabet located in the 4th index. And this is you can find out the value by their index. And we have another method that is called IndexOf, and I will show you that also. CW and my value dot index of. And index of, it is used to find if I want to know the position of is or a or beautiful or country or Nepal, whatever. And I can just write here the is. I just want to find the position of is. And if I run this code, then you can see 6 is the position of is. And you can, if you count this, NEPALE, this is 4 because it starts from the 0, and space it will take the space also, and then is in the 6th position. So likewise, we have the another method called substring, and if sometimes you may have to display only some part of the string, and to do that, just write the CW and my value dot. You can just write the substring and just give the position. And if I want to find out the position of the beautiful, then just copy this beautiful here. And first of all, run this code. You can see the position of beautiful is in the 11th position. So just type here the 11, the substring 11. And just remove this comment from here and just let this substring 11. And if I run this code, now beautiful country, this only the part of this beautiful country is displayed here. In this way, you can use the indexing in C#. Thank you so very much.